How to stabilize video in CapCut. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can stabilize a video in CapCut. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch your CapCut application in your mobile device. Tap on New Project. Now you have to export your video that you want to stabilize on CapCut. So select your video, then tap on Add. Now once you land in your edit page, here in order to stabilize your video, tap on your video from the timeline. Now you have to swipe the menu bar at the bottom of this interface to your left and look for an option that says stabilize. So here is a stabilize option, tap on it. Now you can use the slide bar in order to do maximum stabilization. So you can move it to the maximum, then tap on tick mark. Tap on OK, then tap on tick mark. And with that, it's gonna take a few minutes to apply the feature. Once the feature has been applied completely, now you have stabilized this video. So that's how you can stabilize video in CapCut, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.